Over the last several years, the world's best knife sharpener has just been getting better and better, and now it just got betterer. Introducing the all-new Kleva Sharp Diamond. It's two incredible sharpeners in one, using real diamonds and iron. Now, for old dull knives like this, you can see it's blunt. All you do is just pull it through and it will cut like new. What about your expensive knives that are already sharp? Use the second Ceramic Sharp honing wheel to polish your blade to the finest edge. It's difficult and dangerous trying to open blister packs, pasta bags or a fruit net with a dull knife. Kleva Sharp Diamond makes an old knife cut like new in just seconds. Keep your knives as sharp as the day you bought them. Watch as I'm dulling this knife on a concrete block. You can see it's blunt, but all you do is just run it through both 1 and 2 and have a look at this. It's so sharp, it will even slice through a frozen steak.
Recommend it every day of the week. It's easy to use, compact, it sharpens your knives beautifully, so you couldn't want anything else.
Something that every kitchen should have. I love it.
The suction cup base sticks to most smooth surfaces, plus you can sharpen serrated edge bread knives, the highest quality knives, without removing metal from the edge.